French or Spanish, this video will help you decide which language to choose, and we'll also be seeing some differences between the two of them. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share with you a free download that's going to make your life easier. And it doesn't matter if you choose French or Spanish, it's going to be so useful for you. French and Spanish are both beautiful languages. Spanish is phonetic and French is not. This means that words are pronounced exactly as they are written. So if we look at these examples, we have casa. Casa is house. Lápiz. Lápiz is pencil. Bonito. Bonito is beautiful. As you see, they are easily pronounced. Both French and Spanish are Romance languages. This means that they come from Latin. So once you study one, the other one will be so much easier. They have similar grammar system, and some words like coffee are the same. Café in Spanish. According to Wikipedia, Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world. So what can make you decide to choose one or the other? Let's take into consideration your job or life. Depending where you're living or where you want to live can also help you decide. So for example, if you plan to live or work in Canada, French might be the language for you. But if you are in the US, Spanish will help you get a job. Family reasons are also very important. Do you have people in your family that you want to communicate with? Traveling is also something to consider. Do you have a trip coming up? It's always useful to learn the language of the country you're visiting. But the most important thing is which one is your favorite. For me personally, I always choose with my heart. Because when you have a passion for learning, it will be so much easier. And remember, once you know one of these two languages, the other will be easier and faster to learn. As I'm a Spanish teacher, I would love for you to choose Spanish, but you have to choose depending on what is better for you. So tell me, which one are you going to choose? So, as promised, the link for my free ebook is down below. My ebook is called Learn Spanish the Easy Way, but you can use it to learn any other language. What you get is how I explain vocabulary to my students, and it's a very detailed process. You'll love it. And when you use this way of learning vocabulary, you will see that you don't only learn one word, but so many other words related to the one you're learning. So if you want it, just click the link down below. You also get templates, the ones I use, but it also shows you how to do your own. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you choose Spanish, there are many videos that you can watch. I will link here too and down below others that will help you learn Spanish easily, free, and at your own pace. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. And happy learning! See you in my next one. Bye!